Profit from wood. Easy craft ideas for new woodworkers. Embarking on a woodworking journey offers a unique blend of creativity and practicality, making it an ideal avenue for those looking to generate income. For new woodworkers, the prospect of crafting items that can be sold is both exciting and daunting. The key to success lies in choosing projects that are not only manageable but also have market appeal. By focusing on easy-to-execute designs, beginners can build their skills while creating products that resonate with potential buyers. Understanding the basics of woodworking is crucial for anyone entering this field. Familiarity with tools, materials, and techniques lays the groundwork for successful project completion. As beginners hone their skills, they should focus on mastering fundamental techniques such as cutting, sanding, and finishing. These core skills will serve as the foundation for more complex projects in the future, allowing new woodworkers to expand their repertoire over time. One of the most effective ways to begin selling wooden crafts is by identifying a niche market. Researching trends and consumer preferences can help new woodworkers understand what types of products are in demand. Engaging with potential customers through social media or local markets can reveal insights into their needs and desires. By tailoring creations to meet these demands, woodworkers can enhance their chances of making successful sales. Efficiency in the crafting process is essential for maximizing profitability. Beginners should focus on developing a streamlined workflow that allows them to produce items quickly without compromising quality. Organizing the workspace to ensure that tools and materials are easily accessible can significantly reduce production time. This level of efficiency not only helps in meeting customer demands but also enables woodworkers to take on multiple projects simultaneously. Safety should always be a priority in woodworking. New woodworkers must familiarize themselves with safety protocols to protect themselves while working. Wearing appropriate protective gear, such as goggles and masks, is essential. Additionally, maintaining a clean and organized workspace minimizes the risk of accidents and creates an environment conducive to creativity. When artisans feel secure in their workspace, they can focus entirely on their craft. As woodworkers gain experience, they may find inspiration in various sources. Observing trends in home decor, attending craft fairs, or even browsing online platforms can provide valuable ideas for new projects. The key is to remain open to inspiration while also considering the practicality of producing items that can be sold. This balance between creativity and marketability is crucial for long-term success. Networking within the woodworking community can also offer invaluable support for beginners. Connecting with experienced woodworkers through workshops, online forums, or local meetups can provide insights and mentorship. These relationships foster a sense of community and can lead to collaboration opportunities, helping new artisans navigate the complexities of the woodworking business more effectively. Establishing an online presence is vital for promoting wooden crafts. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are excellent venues for showcasing creations and attracting potential buyers. High-quality images that highlight craftsmanship and attention to detail can draw in customers and create an emotional connection to the products. Crafting engaging narratives about the process can further enhance this connection, making potential buyers feel invested in the work. As new woodworkers refine their skills, they may consider diversifying their product offerings. Exploring different styles, techniques, and finishes allows artisans to expand their creativity while appealing to a broader audience. Seasonal or themed projects can also generate excitement and urgency among customers, encouraging them to make purchases. This adaptability is key to sustaining interest and sales in a competitive marketplace. Understanding pricing strategies is essential for maximizing profits. New woodworkers should carefully evaluate material costs, labor time, and market prices when setting prices for their creations. Conducting research to understand what similar items sell for can help artisans establish competitive yet profitable pricing. Transparency about the crafting process and the quality of materials used can also justify higher price points, appealing to discerning customers. Time management plays a crucial role in balancing woodworking with other responsibilities. Creating a structured schedule can help new artisans dedicate specific time for crafting while ensuring consistent progress on projects. This discipline fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued engagement with woodworking, ultimately leading to better results and increased productivity. As confidence grows, woodworkers may consider expanding into new markets. Selling at local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online platforms can provide exposure to different customer bases. Each selling avenue presents unique opportunities for reaching potential buyers. And understanding the nuances of each platform can help artisans optimize their selling strategies. This flexibility broadens the customer base and increases overall sales potential. Continuous skill development is vital for long-term success in woodworking. Beginners should actively seek opportunities for learning, whether through online tutorials, books, or local workshops. Expanding knowledge of techniques and trends inspires fresh ideas and innovative approaches to crafting. This ongoing education not only enhances skills but also keeps woodworkers engaged and passionate about their craft. Engaging with customers is an integral part of building a loyal following. Encouraging feedback and reviews can provide insights for improvement and help artisans refine their offerings. Positive testimonials can serve as powerful marketing tools, attracting new customers and bolstering credibility. Fostering a sense of community around the brand can enhance customer loyalty, encouraging repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Creating a captivating online portfolio is essential for showcasing work. High-quality images that highlight craftsmanship and attention to detail can draw in potential buyers. Utilizing platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or personal websites allows woodworkers to present their creations in a visually appealing manner. Consistent updates and engaging content keep followers interested and eager to see new projects, driving sales.